This is Chromecast with Google TV, the streaming device designed to transform the way you watch, discover, and enjoy content. With Chromecast, you no longer have to jump between multiple apps to find something worth watching. The Google TV interface brings together movies, shows, live channels, and even your favorite apps into one seamless experience. It's personalized, smart, and tailored just for you. Setup is effortless. Simply plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and in minutes you're ready to stream. The included remote control puts power in your hands. With dedicated buttons for popular apps, intuitive navigation, and built-in Google Assistant, you can search with your voice. Just say what you want to watch, and it appears instantly. Chromecast with Google TV supports stunning 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, ensuring brilliant picture quality. Add Dolby Atmos support, and you're immersed in cinematic sound right at home. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, live sports, or your favorite series, the experience is simply unmatched. But Chromecast is more than just streaming. With Google Assistant, you can check the weather, control smart home devices, or get answers instantly, all without lifting a finger. You can even cast from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to your TV, making it easy to share photos, videos, or music with friends and family. Affordable, powerful, and packed with features, Chromecast with Google TV delivers everything you love in one device. Say goodbye to complicated menus and endless scrolling. Say hello to entertainment that's organized, intelligent, and truly yours. Chromecast with Google TV. Smarter streaming starts here. Forget switching between apps and wasting time searching. With Chromecast, everything you love, movies, shows, live TV, and apps, comes together in one simple, smart interface. It's entertainment designed around you,